here. Today I'm making some fish noodle. It's kind of like Kaopoon, and this is my version. Thai people call it Kaopoon Jeen or Kaonom Jeen. I just call it fish noodle because it involves fish and some chicken feet. So right here is some chicken feet that's been cut, washed, and trimmed. Okay, we got some boiling water here, and dump it in here. And this is freshly caught perch. You can use catfish, which is my second choice, but since I have this and it's fresh, I'm gonna use this. So this is perch, okay? Clean and scaled. Dump this in there. Just gonna use one, depending on the batch that you're gonna make. But I'm just gonna use one fish. And going in there as well are some of these ingredients. Kaffir lime leaves, okay, probably about 6 or 7 leaves. This is optional. Cilantro root. Okay. If you don't have that, you don't have to use that. And some lemongrass, about 3 stalks. Lemongrass. This is sliced galangal, about half a cup, okay. And this I happen to have, this is optional. These are onion bulbs. Tiny onion bulbs are similar to, what do you call it? Oh my gosh, shallots, okay. So you don't have to use this optional. If you don't have this, just use garlic, okay. Now we're just gonna bring this to a boil. For the seasoning, we're just going to add some sea salt. Okay. Let's do 1 tablespoon first. Some granulated chicken bouillon. About 2 tablespoons. And optional MSG. 1. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna add some dried chili peppers. Okay, I have about a cup. Depending on the spice level, you can add as little or as much peppers. Now we're just gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, this has been boiling for about 10 minutes. My fish was about to fall apart, so it's good to go ahead and take it out. We're gonna then get only all the meats, okay? We're gonna debone it and just get all the meat from the fish. And as well, we're gonna get the peppers, the galangal. We're going to smash those up, and the shallots, okay? So get all the peppers, shallots, and galangal. Okay? Okay, this here is the fish that we fished out from the pot, deboned and smashed up. Make sure that you take out as much, or all of the bone as much as you can, okay? Because you don't want to be, oh, there's one right here, bone, okay? So depending on the fish, this perch actually has a lot of bone. But yeah, take out all the bones and then smash them up. All right? Okay, so next step, we're going to blend up the chili, the boiled chili peppers, the galangal, and the shallots, okay, that we took out from the pot. We're going to now just blend it up or smash it up if you don't have a mini chopper like I have. Okay? So just get it smashed up like this. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna fry up our chili pepper, galangal, and shallots. Okay, so I got here is about 5 tablespoons of oil, garlic, 1/3 cup garlic, chopped garlic, our chili pepper, teaspoon of shrimp paste, I lower down the heat to about medium. So you want to do this to bring out the aroma of the seasoning. We're also going to add about 1/3 cup fermented Padek. This is Lao Padek. I'm using my homemade one, of course, but if you don't have a homemade one, you can use this brand. Okay, just use this. Mind you, this is really going to have a very strong, pungent smell, so it's best if you have an open kitchen outdoors, do it outdoors. And this here is our fish. We're going to add it in here. Turn off the heat, and we're going to put it into our boiling stock of the pot that we had with the fish earlier and the chicken feet. You can see it. Hold on. Okay. Chicken feet. Then you just want to let this cook until your chicken is to your preference. Some people like it very fall off the bone type, and some people don't like it too overcooked. So it just really depends on you. Lastly, we're going to add in some cherry tomatoes. And then you just want to season it to however you like as well. You could put more fish sauce if it's not enough salt, more bouillon or MSG. Totally up to you. Even add more Padek sauce if you like. I'm going to add some more chicken bouillon. Another tablespoon. And a little bit of fish sauce as well. 2 tablespoons. And this broth is ready for some vermicelli noodles. Okay, so this is some cooked vermicelli noodles that will go with our broth. Okay. And this dish, you do not need a lot of broth on your noodles. It's just more like a salad, okay? So you don't need that much broth. And to go with this, you'll need some condiments. Got some cucumber, pickled daikon. I don't have any bean sprouts or pickled mustard green. Those other two items would go really well with this dish as well. I got some string beans, cilantro, onions, lemon basil. Okay, it's very, very good with lemon basil. Some Vietnamese coriander and mint. Okay, so let's see if we can assemble it up. Put some mint. I love mint. But what really goes with this is, a must-have is the lemon basil. Okay, I don't know why my camera keeps focusing in and out. Let's see. Okay, stay there. Okay, cilantro, onions, my beans, cucumber. So this is kind of like a soupy salad with noodles. Pickled daikon in there. And voila. Let me take a snapshot of it real quick. Cheese. And let's try it. So flavorful. The fish. The fermented Padek, the shrimp paste. It's really yummy. Delish, guys. This is my version. There are many versions, many styles out there that you could do, but this is my version. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Chopstick just fell. Get a new one. Bye, guys.